Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here, and today's Proto Tech Tip is going to be a little bit different and a little bit special. So Protospace MFG is our aerospace company, and we work with some of the biggest minds in aerospace and defense, delivering ultra-fast, high-precision parts through our high-velocity mass customization process. But we're not just about serving industry leaders, we also love supporting the next generation of innovators. So that's why we partner with student competitions like the University Rover Challenge, the Canadian International Rover Challenge, Launch Canada, and the International Rocket Engineering Competition, or IREC for short. Now, by giving these teams fast custom manufacturing, we help them iterate their designs quickly, learn faster, and level up their innovation. And this year, our support for IREC went one step further. We teamed up with the experimental sounding Rocket Association to build custom Launchpads, helping take the competition's infrastructure to new heights. So for today's video, you'll hear from our own engineer Ben Abram as he chats with Adam Nippa, one of the Launchpad designers from Ezra. So let's get into it.
Hi there, my name is Ben. I'm with Protospace and I'm here with Adam Nippa. Adam, so what is it that you do here? Could you give me a little bit of information?
Yeah, so I'm the two-stage pads lead out here for IREC. So I've been working hard this morning helping the two-stage pads get out on the rails, and hopefully we'll get one off here soon.
Wow, that's a lot. I also heard that you helped design or you designed the Launchpads yourselves.
Yeah, so I worked alongside Jim Jarvis to design the two-stage pads rails. And it's a new innovative design that we're incorporating some trailer jacks, so that way we can have teams easily get those pads cranked up with minimal effort. So increases safety, makes it overall a better experience for our competitors.
Absolutely, especially when you're dealing with heavy rockets, it makes it way easier. How long did it take for you to design the rockets? Like, what was involved in the design and the manufacture stage?
Yeah, so the design of the pads took about maybe a month and a half before we really handed it off to y'all at Protospace, and then it was pretty quick after that. Y'all gave us some iteration ideas, and then we had that back within a week, and then after that we just signed right off, and we got those pads going, so that way we could have them here today for the launch.
Lovely. So is there a reason why you had to design new pads, or was it just for the ease of effort of loading the new rockets in?
Yeah, so last year we had a lot of safety concerns with the pads that we used, in which they were very difficult and cumbersome for our teams to use. So we wanted to make the investment for the competitors, so that way they would be able to get out to those pads and more easily get the rockets up quickly and safely.
Lovely, lovely. So I'm assuming you've got a busy day of launches today?
Yes, we got a very busy day of launches today. I've got 2 flyer of record teams that I'm the flyer of record for, and then we got some 2-stage teams lined up. So hopefully we can get back to it there and get them off here soon.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for your time, Adam.
Thank you, Ben.
Take care.
So there you have it. Our team was proud to be on the ground for IREC this year, an incredible event filled with energy, ingenuity, and a whole lot of rocket fuel. So a huge shout out to the volunteers who poured their heart and soul into making not only IREC but all of our sponsored competitions what they are: advanced, challenging, and yeah, a ton of fun. So to every team that competed this month, and those getting ready for CIRC and Launch Canada, and more this summer, keep pushing, keep building, and please keep innovating. And take care until next time.